الأولية.
حديث الرحمن.
حديث الأولية. نعم الأولية.
The Sheikh is asking me through his tawadhu that I may give ijazah of a hadith. I recite before you the hadith that is called Hadithul Rahmah, and also the hadith al-Hadith al-Musalsal bil-Awwaliyah, in the sense that it was a habit of our muhaddithin that whenever a student goes to a muhaddis to hear from him the ahadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the first hadith they used to teach them was this hadith. And this hadith is an Abdullah ibn Amr radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم الراحمون يرحمهم الرحمن ارحموا من في الأرض يرحمكم من في السماء. And this is a very comprehensive hadith in the sense that it says that الراحمون يرحمهم الرحمن, those who have mercy on others, Rahman has mercy on them. So you have mercy on those who are on earth. The one who is in the heavens will have mercy on you. This is the hadith, the first hadith that was used to be taught to a pupil when he comes to study hadith. So I give this, I have, secured the ijazah of this hadith from Sheikh Hassan al-Bashaq al-Makki al-Maliki, rahimahullah, in the masjid, in the Haram al-Makki, was Sheikh Muhammad Yasin al-Fadani, rahimahullah ta'ala, bi-Makkah al-Mukarramah, was Sheikh Ahmad al-Nakhibi, rahimahullah ta'ala, bi-Jiddah, وكل واحد منهم يرويه بإسناده إلى سيدنا عبد الله بن عمرو بن العاص, وكل واحد منهم يقول هذا أفضل حديث سمعته من شيخي, وهو كذلك يقول هذا أفضل حديث سمعته من شيخي. فأنا أجيز جميع العلماء الحاضرين بهذا الحديث المسلسل بالأولية بهذا التسلسل, وأسأل الله سبحانه وتعالى أن يوفقنا للعمل به وبجميع مقتضيات